Mary baby, it's your first snowfall. It's your first snowfall, Mary baby. Ano ngayon? October 18. Maaga. Maaga, hindi makahintay sa'yo. Come on.
Talaga nakatingin siya, no?
Say hi to the camera. Are you looking at the snow falling? That's snow. That's frozen water. You're so fixated on the snow, huh?
May!
Mary taba. Tingin kay mama. Tingin kay mama doon, huh?
May!
Tingin kay mama.
Hi!
Hi! Hello? Tama na ang snow?
Please!
There. Paglaki ni Mary, I want snow. I wanna go skiing. I wanna go skiing with Daddy. I wanna go skiing with Daddy. I wanna go to Sunday River.
Hi!
Malakas nga rin naman. It's starting to accumulate, baby girl. It's starting to accumulate on the ground. Tomorrow we're gonna be buried.
Huwag ka magsalita ng ganyan, baby. Oh, bye-bye na, Mary.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
May!
Bye-bye.
May!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Kulit to, May! Bye-bye!
Are you angry?